Welcome back to Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success. In today's episode, we're tackling one of the most crucial aspects of your print on demand business, pricing your products for maximum profit. Let's dive in. Pricing your products correctly is vital. It affects your sales volume, profit margins, and overall business success. Set your prices too high, and you risk losing customers. Set them too low, and you might not cover your costs. So, how do you strike the right balance? First, you need to know your costs. Here's what to consider. Production costs. This includes the base cost of the product from your supplier. Shipping costs. Don't forget to include shipping, both from the supplier to you, if applicable, and to the customer. Platform fees. If you're selling on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify, they take a percentage of each sale. Marketing costs. Include any costs for advertising and promotions. Overhead costs. Even if you're working from home, factor in costs like internet utilities and software subscriptions. Next, decide on your desired profit margin. A common goal is to aim for a profit margin between 20% to 50%. Here's a simple formula to help. Profit margin percent. Selling price, cost price. Selling price x 100. Let's say your total cost per item is $10 and you want a 40% profit margin. Selling price $10, 0.40 $16.67. Research your competitors. Take a look at similar products and see how they are priced. This gives you a benchmark and helps ensure your prices are competitive. Remember, pricing too low can make customers doubt the quality, while pricing too high might drive them away. Use psychological pricing strategies to make your prices more appealing. Charm pricing. Pricing something at $19.99 instead of $20. Bundling. Offer discounts for purchasing multiple items together. Anchor pricing. Show the original price crossed out next to the discounted price. Don't be afraid to test different prices. You can use A/B testing to see which price point works best. Monitor your sales data and adjust accordingly. Platforms like Shopify have tools that allow you to split test and analyze performance. Strategically use discounts and promotions to boost sales without hurting your profit margins. Seasonal sales. Take advantage of holidays and seasons. Limited time offers. Create urgency with time-limited discounts. Loyalty programs. Reward. Repeat customers with discounts. Pricing is a critical component of your print-on-demand business. By understanding your costs, setting a competitive price, and using psychological strategies, you can maximize your profits. Don't forget to test and adjust your pricing regularly to stay competitive and profitable. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest releases. Join us in the next episode of Mastering Print on Demand, your path to online success, where we'll explore effective marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales to your store. Thanks for watching.